See him tailing?
Yeah.
Get it right on him, bro. This will be a sick clip. It'll still have some energy. They're gonna go for a little bit. This one's a solid like 26, 27 incher. Ooh. Here, Justin, you trying to net it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, over slot. Ooh. There you go. Now just kind of slowly lift your rod up and to the right. Yeah, boy. Nice fish. Nice.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that should be good. Yeah, he's happy, dude. He's tailing. He's being so sweet. Just cast it in there. Get in the pocket. Yes, yes. If you see him moving, just twitch it. Yep, twitch, twitch, leave. You should get one. I think he's over. Yeah, you want to net him, Erica? Here, keep him out, yeah. He should be fine. We're good. Yeah, he's just over. He's probably 24, 25. Yeah, nice. Slimy. Alright, give him a nice little revival. Perfect. Look at him go.